In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Revolut to Coinbase. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to transfer any amount of Bitcoin that you have inside of your Revolut account over to your Coinbase wallet. In order to properly transfer any amount of Bitcoin that you have, you will need the latest version of the Revolut mobile app. So go ahead and update Revolut as necessary. Once you are running the latest version available of the app, find the transfer option as you can see highlighted over here on the bottom menu, and you will be able to access the transfer option. In there, select New at the top right corner of the screen, and you will see the option to make a new transfer to a crypto wallet. Select Crypto Wallet, and you will need to include the Coinbase crypto wallet address and give it a name. After you include your Coinbase wallet address, you will be able to access it on the same menu on the Transfer tab, and from there, include the amount of funds that you wish to transfer. Include the amount of Bitcoin that is going to be transferred, and you will be able to review the transfer before sending it straight into your Coinbase wallet. Review everything, and as long as you have the necessary amount of Bitcoin on your wallet, you will be able to make the transfer right away for it to be processed. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Revolut to Coinbase. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.